Hello guys, welcome to my this video. My name is Anuj and today in the JavaScript tutorial I'll discuss about for in loop. In my last video I had discussed about for loop. So in this video I'll discuss about what is the syntax of for in loop and where we can use for in loop. So for that purpose I will go to the index.html file and here I will show you. So if you want to loop an object, so that time we have to use the for in loop. So how? So let's see. So first of all I will create an object. So where, and the variable name you can write anything. So here I will write the variable name is object, okay, obj. Now here I will create an object. So earlier I had shown you like how to create an object. So using curly braces we create an object, and here I will write some property name. Property name is name. So name I will write my channel name. This is demo purpose, but when you will work on the real life project, so you have to write the name what is required, okay. And now here I'll write some other thing like age, and age is 2 years, my channel, okay. Here I will write simply 2, okay. And now after that here city. So city, suppose I will write any random name like New York, okay. Now suppose you want to loop this one, so that time you have to write for in loop. How? Let's see. So the syntax is you have to write for and like this, and after that let I in obj, okay. So here what is the meaning of I in obj? I means this will be the index, okay. Like this one in for loop we have seen the I means index, right? So in this instead of I variable you can write any other name, like you can write simply index also. Means whatever you will write here, that will be the index. I mean that will denote as an index. And index means like in array, index means the position of the value, right? So here we called it key value. So name, age, those will be the index, okay. And in object means which one I want to loop. I want to loop this object, so like this, okay. And now here suppose I want to print, so just simply I will write console dot log and obj then index, okay, like this. Very simple. Like if you understood the for loop, so same way, but we just change the syntax a bit, okay. That is the for in loop. Now I will save and I will show you in the browser. See, it is displaying one by one, okay. So this is the use of for in loop, and if you find this video helpful, so please like this video and also subscribe my channel to get more update in JavaScript.